Hello, Shiva.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm good. I didn't expect you to respond this quick.
No, actually, I was on phone itself. I was just going through some old WhatsApp text.
Okay, sir. So,
Yeah.
lucky in that way.
No, actually, even if anyone is coming for any kind of query, mostly it used to be delay by 5 to 10 minutes only.
Okay.
Yeah, because in aerospace department we have very less students, right? They prefer coaching, so it's not like in one day I used to get 1 or 2 queries only.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you let me know your working profile, free time status, because whatever I will guide you about the course, because I have courses from 5K to 85K. So in that 5K to 85K, the best course, what I think will be for you for 35K, and because you're working now, so you will not be having time, it seems.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So will you be free night time 8:30 to 10:30 to attend the live classes 3 days only?
Yeah, sure, sir. 8:30 to 10:30 is possible.
Mm-hmm.
Like any other timings are available, like on Saturdays and Sundays, is that?
No, actually, I don't take in weekends, because in weekends students used to practice, because they used to be having free days, right? So they used to practice
Actually,
assignments and
yeah.
test series and all.
Yes, nice idea actually.
Yeah. So
we can. Do you think like these 2 hours, like almost 6 hours per week, will be sufficient? Or?
Yeah, definitely. Because actually, what I don't waste with garbages. Like I used to be like, you can go through my day 1 and day 2 and day 3 lectures. They are available on YouTube. You can consider them as a demo. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Yeah, after seeing a video, you told me like that they are not the complete versions of that. So I just wanted to know.
Yeah. Actually, for 2024 batch, I have started a new batch. So in that new batch, 3 classes got over. And for advertisement purpose, lecture 1, 2, 3 are available on YouTube. Full lecture is available on YouTube.
Full lectures. Oh, okay,
yeah.
Okay, sir.
Recently, I have uploaded. I think.
Yes, I have seen them. Yeah, 1.5 or 2 hours videos. Yes.
Right. So 1.5 hour. It seems like so. Day 1 lecture, day 2 lecture, and day 3 lecture. If you will go through them in detail, you will actually understand whether my coaching is worth for you or not.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. So.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. We can do one thing. First, I have to know that how much potential. I mean, I want to judge you. Like, how should I judge you? Because I don't go through test series. These things that students should write test series and then I will judge them. It's better to talk to you on phone call, because here I can judge you more better. Like now, what is your status? Right now, what is your status, and how many hours you can give in a week? Because that also matters a lot. Because one thing I want to mention here, studying for GATE exam even for 2 years is less. And but if you are like, everyone is preparing, most of the students, they should prepare only for 1 year. So point is, studying for 2 years program, 3 years program, and still not getting like 80 marks, 85 marks, what does it mean? And preparing for 1 year and getting around 50 marks and going into IIT. So this strategy is better, because mostly students are preparing for 1 year only. And recently from 2-3 years, I am getting students from second year and third year also. They are preparing for 2 to 3 years programs. So they have different fee structure. But in your case, 1 year program will be fine. And in that 1 year program, like you said, my classes will be 6 hours in week. But actually, main content delivery will be 6 hours per week. After that, you will be having unlimited out session. That also, if I want, I can consider as a class. But I don't consider that as a class. See, it goes like this. 8:30 to 10:30, class gets over. After that, I ask students to stay with me and ask you a doubt. So on YouTube, only that part is available, which is going like a class. After that, because their doubt will not be worth for other students, because every individual will be having different doubts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I take their doubts. And if you are kind of average student, then GATE exam is like, it is good for 1 year preparation. But if you are like a very, very poor student, because many students are really very poor in studies, and they are having UG degree, now they want to prepare for GATE exam. So for them, GATE exam preparation means 3 to 4 months it will take to complete basics itself. Basics means basic physics, basic mathematics, they don't have idea. So even though if you are good in core subject, suppose you are studying for aerospace GATE preparation, so you will come to know the core subject. But after that, if you have to solve any core problem where integration is involved, then it will
Yes,
be your
sir. Yes,
failure.
sir. Yes, sir. I've seen that in the video. Yes, sir. I
Yeah,
understood
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah. So that's why I said like I might need the bit score as well, like
yeah.
because
So,
I want to know whether I lack in those very core subjects or not. Like I want to know whether I lack in that. So
so
maybe yeah,
actually,
you can go ahead and judge me. Yeah,
yeah. So actually, see, if you have to crack 2024, then right now, whatever situation you are in, that doesn't matter. You have to improve. So
yes, sir.
right now, like you are average or below average or good student, doesn't matter. Somehow you have to crack it 2024 to go to IIT. So for that, you have to prepare well. So you need time actually. How many hours you can give in week, that matters a lot.
Yes, sir. Like I can give like definitely 3 hours per day and the whole of Sunday. Yes,
Then
I can
great.
do that.
Then we can do one thing. Uh, yeah, actually, you are giving more than a UG student.
Yes, sir. Like almost I'll be free from 7:30 to 10:30 every day.
Okay, then actually you are
Yeah.
giving more than a UG level student because UG people are not giving 3 days every day, 3 hours every day because they used to be busy with their college curriculum so and other workload.
I have no other thing about from job. Like I come home at 6:30, so maybe 1 hour I can do.
Okay, we'll do one thing.
Or
Then
2 hours. Yeah.
only
Yes, sir.
3 days classes, and
Yes, sir.
that class will be like very like you will go through lecture 1, 2, 3 that is available on YouTube, right? You will come to know that the way I am taking classes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I take classes wherever it is required. I interact with the student, and wherever it is required, like okay, I have to go through in the flow. I used to go in the flow, and I used to give sufficient time to note down the content. I give sufficient time and space again to ask your doubt in live class also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So classes used to be of 2 hours, but recording will not be of 2 hours. Recording will be of 1.5 hours because when students are talking from their side, that time I pause the video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then I used to pause. I used to resume, pause, resume like that.
Yes, sir.
So we can do one thing.
Yes, sir.
2 hours Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You sit with me in the live class, and
Okay, sir.
remaining 4 days you practice my assignments and test series and a lot of things. Other things are there. I will guide you during the classes.
Okay,
And in these remaining 4 days, you find time to ask doubts also and collect
Yes,
your
sir.
doubts. And right now, like you are talking to me, you can talk to me privately on phone call. All the doubts I will explain.
Okay, sir.
On phone call or Zoom or whatever is required, I'll go through the best. Because actually, whatever your doubts will be, whatever is your comfortable way, you can send me. You can send me photos on WhatsApp, and then we can call each other and we can discuss like this is how it works and this that. And
Okay, sir.
yeah, it's like
Yeah,
it will be like a private tuition.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, because if I'll work with you like a private tuition, then only you will be having good rank. I don't work like a coaching. It's not like okay, 2 hours over. Now you go in your way, I'll go in my way. No, I used to be behind you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I wonder, like if you have like 100 hours per day, sir, like you are very inspiring.
No, actually, it's not like 100 hours per day, but it's like now I'm habitual of doing this.
Yeah, okay.
Man, you understand. Even I am engineer and I am also.
Yes, sir, that's why you're also an engineer. And I'm thinking how you have so much time, so like how you are able to manage your time. Yeah.
Actually, right now I'm not having the right answer how to answer this because it is kind of someone talking hypothetical about me. And one more thing, when I was in my UG, I was the same actually, like the way others used to be. But it's been long time, so slowly, because I have to grow in the business, I have to give lot of competition to other institutes and all. So I'm putting all possible efforts. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Last year, my big regret was like for 2022 batch, I gave 275 test series, and I promised for 2-3 batch that to give them 400 test series. I could not give them because I joined IIT for my research program. So I could not give them. But anyway, 275 was sufficient. This much was sufficient for 2022 batch, and of course 2023 batch. And actually, I will be providing like highest number of test series in India because I don't want anyone to stand in front of me in business, and of course in concepts as well. So concepts and all you can judge on YouTube. Lot of hell amount of videos are there.
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah. That's what, like it's more of a headache now. Like which one to follow.
Yeah.
So I just want someone who know A to Z about GATE exam. Like I said, NPTEL is not only for is okay for engineering, but it's not for GATE. So I want someone who is A to Z about GATE exam alone. So I feel like you're
definitely. See, I have only two motivation to work with you. Only two motivation. First thing is fees. Next thing is like dedication, your dedication, what I will be getting. If you will not follow like many students, what they do, today only I have seen one student. She joined me in Jan month for 2024 program, but today she
Okay.
left the WhatsApp group, and I asked why did you leave the WhatsApp group. Then she said she is now preparing for MBA exam, CAT exam.
Oh, okay.
So these kind of mind
Okay.
situations are there. Yeah, and thankfully
Okay.
she didn't ask to return the fees.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, so my motivation is you have to work with me the way I'm working with
Okay.
you, because believe me, I will work harder than you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I can see that, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever you will be asking doubts immediately. If I'm sleeping, then it will be difficult. Like you will send me your doubt on WhatsApp,
Okay.
screenshot or in text messages or audio messages, whatever is comfortable. Or you
Yes,
can
sir.
also do one thing that when you are watching my video in your laptop, that time if you got any doubt in any statement or something, you can record in your small phone. I mean, a small video in your phone, and then you can send me that this part you didn't understand, or directly
Yes,
you
sir.
can call me. So
Oh, okay. Sir.
night time is
So
more comfortable.
that's not a problem, sir. Like I would never hesitate to ask a doubt. Like even
Yeah,
I,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
in it is so basic. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Great. Actually, night time means after 10:30. I used to be free till morning 4 a.m. Because I used to sleep in morning itself, like around 4 to 5. I
Okay.
used to sleep. Yeah. So
Oh,
because
okay.
students used to
Okay.
ask doubts, and all the students are not asking doubt every day. That is also a problem because they don't study every
Okay.
day. See, during admission
Okay.
they have a lot of energy and motivation, but when they come
Yes,
to know
yes.
the syllabus and when they start working on the syllabus, then from
Okay.
their end itself they are lagging.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so you have to cover this part.
Yes, sir. Like, yes, sir, everything is good. Yeah, I don't want to waste more of your time as well, but yeah, almost okay. Like, another one question that I have is like,
Hmm.
am I still capable enough for GATE 2024? Like, I only got 26 and 22 and a half now.
No,
So
actually, see, I'll
stuff
tell
like
you one
that.
more
Yeah.
example.
Yes,
There
sir.
are people, they got 38 marks in GATE 2022 exam, general category, and
Yes,
this
sir.
year they got just 16 marks, and
16. Okay, sir.
only 1 6. And there is one more example. One girl got only 7 marks in 2 2, and this year
Okay.
she got 41 marks in 2 3.
Okay.
So these variations are like person to person. You understand, man. It is totally your own input.
Yeah, yes, sir. Truly.
Yeah, totally your input. From my side, I'll be giving you 24 into 7 doubt classes, guidance, and everything at personal level. Wherever it is required, I will tell you is strictly to skip the portion. Like, no need to
Oh,
bother
okay.
about this
Okay.
part. Like, because I know how to see. My intention, clearly, I am saying, my intention is
Yes, sir.
to teach you everything. But I know that even toppers are not going to solve 100 marks out of 100 marks.
Yes,
Topper
sir.
in aerospace department used to be very close to 82 marks. But
Okay. Okay.
people in general category, they used to go to IIT even if they are having 50 marks only. Only 50 marks.
Okay.
Gaining
Okay.
50 marks, what does it mean? You only have to bother about a pet syllabus, not to bother about that complex question, what is appeared in 2 2 and 2 3.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, to be in top 5, to be in top 10, 50 to 60 marks, 60 plus marks if you are having. So you are totally like in top 10, like top 15 like this. So you have to prepare only for 60 marks. Now you can break down this 60 marks. 60 marks means 15 marks you are going to get from your GA, right?
Aptitude. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Sure.
general ability. And you know one thing, in this 1 year of preparation, you see, actually general aptitude is not like a course thing. Definitely, I have classes, I will be teaching you everything. But reality is that you have to prepare from your childhood. Like childhood means when you are in 9th class, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Yes, sir.
What we
Yes.
have done, that is only aptitude in those basic mathematics, in those basic sciences.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Exactly.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that will help us to improve our. And English part, it's you understand. English is English, man. Uh,
Sir, yeah, like no engineer should be trained in English or
yeah,
aptitude actually. He should
yeah,
know it by himself. Yeah.
yeah. And they don't ask tough question actually in English.
Exactly.
Sometimes
Yeah.
what happens, some spelling or something they will ask, they will be totally out of context for engineers. So that time
Yeah.
paper will be
Okay.
tough because this English word or something vocab and all, they are ocean. Ocean means if
Yeah.
someone is like very good in this thing, how much you will prepare? Suppose if 1 year you are preparing for GA, how much you will prepare? You will prepare only that syllabus, na what is given in GA books.
Keyboard. Exactly. Yes.
But what question they will ask, that is ability question. That is not a like a subjective question. That is ability question. That is your ability.
Oh, Yes, sir. Exactly. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So 15 marks is from there, and other than that, you have to prepare for exactly 35 marks. That's all. You'll be getting 50 marks. 50 marks means under 100. Under 100 means you'll be having IITs.
Okay. Like you mean in the rank, you're saying?
Yeah, under 100, all India rank. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So 50 marks is strategy. How to bring this 50 marks? This like I will maintain. And one thing is damn sure: if you will not do mistake in GATE exam, you will be getting 70 plus marks. Definitely, whatever paper level is, whatever paper level is. If you are not doing mistake, you are getting 70 plus marks. So I consider anyone is not like a machine. They will do mistake. Every topper is doing mistake. Every student is doing mistake. So you have to work on your mistake.
Yeah, sure.
Like this
That's
year,
everything is about. Yeah.
Yeah, this year, like one of my students, she scored actually 48 questions she attempted, and when we were calculating, she was getting 71 marks. But when this key came, official key, after that she is getting only 29 marks. And now when we were working on her mistake is like range is given 0.3 to 0.7, and she is getting 0.9. And her mistake is gamma value she has taken 1.3. And it was given 1.33. And what is another mistake? When there is need of pi, she used this pi value in decimal.
Okay, 3.14.
Yeah, 3 point. She did not use the pi variable.
Calculator.
Yeah, in calculator.
Okay.
So these kind of mistakes, they don't do during test series practice. And suddenly these kind of practice mistakes they are doing there.
Yeah.
So lot of things people will grow actually during the 1 year. People see, if you are doing your inputs, you are actually growing for sure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, you'll be definitely growing for sure.
Okay, sir.
But actually, one thing, man, it is you need to put instantaneous inputs, because if you take 1 week gap or 2-3 days gap, now you will feel nervous.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So even I start feeling nervous now. Like GATE exam is almost on February 11th. It's been like 15 days. Oh my God, did I waste my 15 days for the next GATE 2024 preparation? That's what I feel now.
Yeah. So actually, like I think you are kind of mature guy, because you are working now. So you know how everything will work.
Yes, sir. Unless there is dedication, there is nothing you can achieve.
Yeah. Because see my point. Why am I not getting single digit rank? Only because I am not able to pay that much attention and dedication and time and everything. Knowing concept is entirely different. If I am teaching you something now, it is your part to practice that. Again, if you are lagging in some concepts, again I will teach you. But again, your job is to practice and by heart everything.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
So why my students are getting in top 20, but I am not getting top 20? Only the laziness, only the dedication difference is there.
Okay.
Yeah, lack of time, lack of practice. This is keeping me in this rank, and this will keep you in that rank. So that dedication you have to maintain. For that dedication, we can't do anything. That is everyone's individual's personal thing.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, dedication goes like this, man. Tomorrow you are fighting with your girlfriend, dedication gone. That's all.
That is very cheap way of losing their dedication.
Actually, people are losing like this. There are some genuine matters, like if you are unhealthy, you got your stomach pain, you got some minor accidents, then you are not doing some studies. Okay, I understand that part.
That is actually better thing. You will sit at home, office will give you holiday.
Then better you. Yeah. And one more thing, like, because this conversation is very healthy for other query students, so I'll put this on YouTube also. Okay. So others will also come to know that how it works, because very rarely I used to talk like healthy and funny way like this. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. Sure. Thank you. So anything else you want to discuss? We can.
Just like every working professional has a doubt, I only have one doubt, sir. Time is limited for us because we have 8.5 hours, 9 hours of work. So during self-preparation, studying is one part and making strategies is another part. So right now we are in a position we can only dedicate to studies. We cannot make and do strategies or sit and do collecting mock test information or anything like that, like collecting study materials. We cannot dedicate time to that. Maybe we can dedicate time to studies. We have to dedicate time to studies, but we cannot dedicate time to strategy. So that can it be relied on you?
Now see, very good doubt. Yeah, I understand. Now see, that's why I'm running this coaching center. That if anyone is joining me, they should not talk negative about me. They should not feel that okay, they have wasted their money. They should not feel these things. See, I don't take guarantee of selection, but I take guarantee of your satisfaction during preparation.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
See, now the next point is, whatever you have to study, you don't have to bother. You only have to bother what I am teaching you. You have to cover that.
Exactly. So that is what I want.
Yeah. You don't have to bother which book. You don't have to bother which question. Sir, now you have taught me this. We have to practice this. No. Everything is properly designed already.
Okay.
I took my first batch in 2014.
2014. Okay.
14.
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. And this is now my 10th year. And I have students in top 20, but I don't have students in top 10. So if a student can come in top 20, it means I am worth. At the same time, and like students can come in top 10 also. Now point is, material is properly designed. You need to focus on your study schedule, and strategy is strategy will change with every individual's timetable. So suppose example, you are not good in structure. You are working hard, but you are not getting grip in structure, aircraft structure.
Okay. Yeah.
So we will change our strategy immediately when I will see this kind of situation, because I don't want to make you better in aircraft structure. I want to send you in IIT. Get my logic?
Okay.
Yes. Like I will not be bothering that whether you are good in particular thing or not. I will give you strategy how to go to IIT.
Okay. Yeah.
Because if you are not improving yourself in structure, then why to bother about structure? There are some other strategies you can follow that and you can go to IIT.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah.
But actually, see, this is very genuine and practical approach, but students are not doing that. I'll tell you why problem with UG students. They have some ego and attitude because they are some students are good. Okay. So suppose example, if they feel that they are not good in bending, they are not understanding bending concepts, or they are understanding what I am teaching, but they are not able to solve numericals, then why to bother about that portion? You leave that portion. You have 100-mark question paper. You change your strategy.
Okay, yeah.
See, you understand, right?
Yes, sir, I completely understand. Not everyone is good at everything.
Yeah. That is my point. See, I am saying that I am a good teacher, but I am saying that I have not achieved first rank, because a good teacher should be a good student, like of that time, and that they should get good rank. That is entirely different. Everything is different. I am capable of sending you in IIT. I am capable of teaching you best. And like you asked, like what to study, what not to study, that is not your burden. Your burden is like everything will be there in the class. After class, make notes, proper notes, and you keep revising notes. Then for every class, attached assignment is there with solution. You find time, solve them, ask your doubts. Then after completing a particular topic with me, your job is go to test series and open, and you solve online this topic-wise test series.
Okay.
And in topic-wise test series, you will feel confident or no confident. So if you are thinking that you got the marks in test series, but now you are not able to, suppose in other test series you did not get mark, and you are thinking that now, sir, what to do, what not to do. Then again, it depends. You have time or not. If you have time, then we have some more assignments. You can solve them and you can grow in the particular topic. But every individual, like even I don't know what is your stamina. I don't know what is your potential power.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So strategy will change, because again I'm saying we have to. You have to bother about 60 marks, and I will like discretize all the 100 marks. How can you get 60 marks in worst condition? Now, why people are not getting 60 marks even if I am discretizing properly? See, they are attempting 70 marks. Get the gravity here. They are actually attempting 70 marks, but on the ground they are not getting 70 marks because they are doing mistakes.
Okay.
Yeah. So in 1 year, I will teach you everything. You don't have to bother where to find anything. Everything will be in your drive. But only thing is your time. Like, because whatever I'll be giving you, you have to put a lot. Like so much input is required. 3 hours if you are coming every day. I believe strongly. I believe in your case, you sounds immature guy. So like 3 hours will be sufficient for you, because again
Okay.
you know that hours doesn't matter, right?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
one more
Like
logic is there. Yeah, or hour you sit for 30 or 3, it doesn't matter.
efficiency.
Yeah, yeah. How cool you are in studies, that matters.
Okay.
See, actually, basic example. Today you are talking to me about the difference of monatomic and triatomic gas. Today I am explaining you everything in detail on phone call. And after
Okay.
10 days, if you are attempting the same mistake, then whose fault?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So this is very common in all the students. Almost, not everyone, but almost I see this. If
Okay.
today I am teaching you the perfect idea of normal shock wave and whatever is the phenomena, all the formulas, how it works, you are solving the assignment, you are solving test series. But in GATE exam, you are doing the same mistake and coming out and saying, "Sir, I did mistake," and you know what
Okay.
mistake you have done. Then what else you need from me? You
Yeah.
know, yeah, everything.
Like,
See,
yeah.
it's totally like a cricket match. India is ready,
Mm-hmm.
any other country is ready, opponent is ready. They both are playing and one is losing. Same thing is GATE exam.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, if India is losing the match, it does not mean Indian players are not good. In same way, if you are getting very good marks, it doesn't mean that you are superstar. If you are losing some marks, it does not mean that you are poor student. Because
Okay.
in test series itself, I will come to know that what kind of student you are.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have this year 400 test series. So in every test, you see 400 do you understand? Every day if you do one test series also, it will not get over in 365 days.
Okay.
So
Test series in the sense like a 3-hour exam?
no. Some test series is for 1 hour and full length is for 3 hours.
Okay.
So
Okay.
actually 1 hour exam is
Cool.
for topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise.
Yeah.
Topic
Okay.
wise,
Sure.
chapter wise, subject wise. This is for 1 year, 1 hour, 1 hour. And when you will complete everything, and I will suggest you should not solve 2022 and 2023 question paper. That you should solve after completing everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Have you attempted this year?
Yes, sir. I have attempted.
Okay, great. No need to see that same question again. You will see later. Okay. Then you will see that yes, there is a growth. Definitely, there is a growth.
Okay, sir. Sure.
There are so many points I have included here. If you want, you can when I'll upload this audio on YouTube, you can listen this again and you can make some important notes here. And better that you have better option. In my lecture 1 of 2024 batch, lecture 1 was just introduction and guidance video. So
Yes,
that
sir. I have
video.
seen a gist of it. Yeah.
Okay. So some of my old students, I asked them to come, and so they shared their own experience because they were very live recently. They have completed and
Okay.
everything. So and lecture 1 and lecture 2 and lecture 3, you make your notes also because
Okay.
the same lecture is will be continuing.
Sir, how about like the bridge course? Like when is it started or
Okay, now see
anything?
about bridge course. Actually, bridge course I used to teach during these classes itself. Like
Oh,
when
okay.
during these classes itself, we used to have enough time. So I'll start bridge course also. Right now, actually last year I did a mistake. Last year what happened? I started 3 subjects in same class. Like few minutes for this course, few minutes for this course, and few minutes. But what happened? Students were not able to solve 3 subject assignments. So then before that I was not doing that. But now again I will not do that. Now again I
Okay.
will go subject wise.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
and so that you can focus only on one subject.
Okay.
So currently we are taking aircraft propulsion, and I have taken thermodynamics in the beginning. So I think in 1 or 2 classes thermo will get over, and then we'll jump to gas dynamics part.
Okay.
Yeah, I will highly advise you go through lecture 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Yeah, and make notes.
I'll go.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
sir.
then you think properly. Then let me know what you are thinking about preparation plans, and I can give you surety. I will be there with you until your admission. Like
Okay.
when you are getting your rank, and then I'll be guiding you which IIT, which course, which professor, this, that, everything, MTech, MS or PhD, anything, and till your admission. And after that, of course, once you are into IIT, always we are together then.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything else you want to discuss? Mm-hmm.
Nothing else. Like, I just didn't want to talk about completely on the like IIT. Like let me concentrate on GATE first.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah.
Focus on GATE exam, and one more thing. When
Yes,
you
sir.
are ready for this for 35K program. It will be best for you. And if it is possible that you have your juniors in your contact, you let me you let them know about my coaching and me, okay? Because it will give me a great favor.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, Shiva. Then you let me know everything on WhatsApp again whenever you are ready.
Yeah, sure, sir. Like the next time we contact each other, I'll make sure I finish those 2 videos and then take.
Yeah, definitely.
I'll come up with a conclusion.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. It was great talking to you.
Thank you. Me too. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.